Making drawings. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to draw and color a cute bird. I start with her eye. Then I draw a circle, which is going to be her head. Peekaboo!
Hello!
I draw her back. I draw your body now. Your wing, belly, and tail. Then I draw your legs. And finally, your other wing. Oh, sweetie, why are you crying?
Because I'm not colorful.
Don't worry, I'm going to color you right away.
Yeah, okay.
Close your eye, please. I color it yellow. Then I use orange for your beak. I color your legs yellow. For your wings, I'm going to use rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, and green.
Wow, I'm going to be super nice.
Of course! For your tail, I use dark green, blue, dark blue, and light purple. Then I color your belly purple. Finally, I use pink for your head. And a little bit of light green here. You look amazing!
Awesome! I'm so colorful now. Thanks!
Ooh, come on, let's fly! You're so cute! If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. I love you, Birdie! See you! Bye-bye!